Hi friends, this is the Nifty option chart. I initiated the trade around 200. Okay, let's see what is going to happen in this trade. As per my expectation, market has to fall today, but market showing some strength. It is going up. We'll see. Okay, if this is the case, what is my target? My target is 163. Now I'm running with the 5,000 profit. We'll see. Here 183 is going to defend something. Now 300 is the logical point. We have to see how it is going to react, because here this is the body close, right? 290. After reaching 290, it is going to reverse quickly. We'll see. We'll see. 170. We'll see. My target is hit. See here, previous day close is there, so we have to exit here. Okay. Let us see few more minutes. Let's wait few more minutes. Let it fall. Let it fall. It very quickly it will reverse here. Okay. That's what. Let me capitalize some amount here. Okay, okay, okay. Market is falling. See, this is what I am saying. Very quickly, it will rise actually here. See, rise, 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 rise. So we have to capitalize something here. Some bounce back will be there. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see. Nifty is falling. It will protect. It will protect here. It will protect here actually. Let's see. That is what. See, the buyers started. So let me add here something. My target for the scalping done today. How this chart is looks like the chart is going to fall. All these things are nonsense. It will not. Here there is a probability of reversal. So let me capture here and take the re-entry. 180. It is not coming. Okay, done. It's gone actually. Now next target is this one. What is the options target? Okay, 175. 13,000 profit is there. Okay, I'm canceling my stop loss. This is very small scalp trade. Okay, because here CPR is there. The CPR is there and a day low is there. So there is a probability of bounce back here. After bouncing back, Okay, again it may bounce back till this point, then it start falling. We have to see how it is going to. So since we got some amount, right, why we need to lose this amount? And also this is not the small amount, reasonably good amount we got it. So it got broken, and also previous day close also there. Okay, all together this is going to be the cluster of support. Okay, this is small profit we have to give up. Okay, 3 points I gave up, right here. 175 we thought. Okay, 178 I exited. That's fine. Okay, we shouldn't look for the long distance, long. That's what I'm saying, right? It's definitely here it is going to defend and go up. Okay, until this green candles, right? Then it will continue the trend till evening. This is what we have to capture. This is the beginning trade. Beginning trade. This is this much only we wanted to. No greedy, nothing. Follow the process. This is the process I wanted to follow. So I am done for the day. Done for time being. We'll see. We'll be back after some time. Okay, what is now 176? Okay, this is also going to break it. Break it seems. We have to see how this is going to. Here the day low is there. Previous day close is there, and also long consolidation was there here. To break this consolidation, it may defend here and go for the retest and falls. This is what I am expecting here. So option price is not falling. We'll see. Okay, 175 buyers are there, seems. Okay, let us see what is there. 37 lakhs buyers are there, 10 lakh sellers are there. Okay, still it is falling. Today is the Friday, right? Most of the time, both the cases only buyers are there in the market. So initially my plan was like 206. I wanted to keep for the 206. It's not triggered, so I divided into half. Half I entered at 135. In case if it is not coming for the 206, right? It will go continuously and I may get some profit. Okay, if it comes for the 206, I wanted to average it. Okay, this is where I did the averaging of another 300 and captured, my average price is 10 points, right? 200, 178. That means 22 points I captured. Okay, that is good. Good for the day. Okay, now it got broken. Now it got broken. We'll see how it is going to happen. For time being, I am having some personal work. I'm closing the this one.